Didn't you wash your hands properly?
Earlier I washed my hands like this and dried them like this.
Bibi, do you usually wash your hands like that?
My mom complains, "Why do you always wash your hands carelessly?" I always wear a face mask and don't go in crowded places. Why do I have to wash my hands correctly?
Bibi, if you wash your hands incorrectly, then the germs will stay on your hands and spread. Then you can't prevent you and your friends from getting sick.
If I don't wash my hands correctly, I can get sick? Please help me, teacher!
Okay, today let's learn how to wash our hands and coughing etiquette. You should follow these 6 steps for washing your hands with soap so you don't spread germs and stay healthy. Are you ready?
Yes.
First, get your hands wet with water.
Get my hands wet.
Next, get some soap.
Some soap.
Step 1. Rub your hands together.
Hands together.
Step 2. Wash the backs of your hands.
Back of hands.
Step 3. Wash in between your fingers.
Between fingers.
Step 4. Wash your fingers together.
Fingers together.
Step 5. Wash both of your thumbs.
Both thumbs.
Step 6. Wash your fingertips by rubbing them against your palm.
This is boring. Can you make it fun?
Sure. Today is your birthday. Let's wash our hands and sing happy birthday.
Really? You and my friends are going to sing together? Sounds like fun. Then let's sing together.
Let's sing all together. Ready? Step 1.
Happy birthday to me.
Step 2.
Happy birthday to me.
Other hand.
Happy birthday, dear Bibi.
Step 3.
Happy birthday to me.
Step 4.
Happy birthday to me.
Step 5.
Happy birthday to me.
Other hand.
Happy birthday, dear Bibi.
Step 6.
Happy birthday to me. Yeah! Happy birthday, Bibi. Yeah!
You did a good job.
But teacher, how do I get rid of soap on my hands?
You need to rinse your hands with water for 20 seconds to get rid of all of the soap. Then, dry your hands with a paper towel until all the water is gone.
The mask is hot. Oof. That's better. The mask is uncomfortable. Why do I have to wear it?
Oh, Bibi, without a mask, the bad germs that are in the air can enter through your nose and mouth and make you sick. If you wear a mask, then you can protect you and your friends and prevent diseases.
I wear a mask if I have a cough. The fine dust level is high. There is an epidemic or respiratory disease going around.
You are very clever. There are many kinds of masks: cotton masks, disposable masks, cotton masks with filters, KF80 masks, KF94 masks, N95 masks, and a hazmat mask.
Wow, there are so many kinds of masks. What kind of mask should I wear?
When the coronavirus or kinds of the flu or respiratory diseases going around, wear a cotton mask or a disposable mask. If you have a fever or a cough, and go to a crowded area where an epidemic is happening or the fine dust level is high, wear at least a KF80 or a KF94 mask. Wear a hazmat mask or an N95 mask in special cases, like when doing a very dangerous job, a toxic gas leak, or a fire.
Aha! Now I understand. And how do I wear the mask?
First, the wire goes over your nose. Second, the folds on the mask should go on the outside. Hook the mask behind your ears. Third, the mask should cover your mouth and nose. Fourth, blow twice to check that the mask is properly on your face.
Okay, by the way, teacher, achoo!
Oh, Bibi, when you sneeze like that, the spray can travel up to 5 meters away. It can get on the teacher's face and spread germs to the rest of the class. Also, it's impolite to sneeze on people.
I'm sorry, teacher. It was an accident. It just came out. What can I do?
That's okay. That's why we're going to practice coughing etiquette.
Ah, coughing etiquette. I learned about that in health class. Like this. Achoo!
Very good. When you feel like you're going to sneeze, first, bring your elbow up to your face. Second, cover your mouth. Third, turn away where no one is and sneeze. You can also use a tissue or a handkerchief to cover your mouth as well.
Thank you, teacher. From now on, I will wash my hands correctly and following coughing etiquette.
Okay. Friends, please don't forget to wash your hands correctly and to follow coughing etiquette. Bye, friends!